How to change daily screen time password on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change daily screen time password on TikTok mobile. First then go to TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines, and then click settings and privacy. Now scroll down. Here you will find this one, digital well-being, and then just click that first one here and click change password. Now enter the old one here and then select any password you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.